Have you ever wondered how some people seem to achieve financial freedom without making a fuss? While many believe wealth is tied to showing off luxury and extravagance, the true formula for building wealth lies in silence. It's a process grounded in solid strategies, consistent habits, and a long-term mindset. Today, we'll dive into the 5 essential pillars you need to quietly build wealth and attain true financial independence. If you're ready to transform your financial life without seeking anyone's approval, keep watching. 1. Build a strong financial foundation. Every structure starts with a strong foundation, and your finances are no different. This begins with creating a safety net, an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It protects you during unpredictable situations like medical emergencies or sudden job losses. Once your safety net is in place, focus on reducing debt. Prioritize high-interest debts first, but remember, not all debt is bad. Loans used to invest in assets, like rental properties, can build wealth over time. Next, understand where your money is going. Track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. For instance, if dining out is eating away at your budget, redirect that money to savings or investments. Finally, avoid the temptation of lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist upgrading your car, house, or lifestyle. Stick to a modest standard of living, and let the extra income fuel your wealth-building journey. 2. Develop a wealth mindset. Your financial success begins in your mind. A wealth mindset means focusing on assets, not liabilities. Assets like stocks, real estate, and businesses grow in value over time, while liabilities like expensive cars or the latest gadgets drain your money. Compounding is one of the most powerful tools in wealth creation. It's the concept of earning returns on your returns. For example, consistently investing $500 per month in an index fund can grow to hundreds of thousands, or even millions, over decades. Small, consistent actions today lead to massive results tomorrow. Also, learn to value your time. Wealthy individuals focus their time on high-impact activities. Instead of wasting hours on trivial tasks, think about how you can create value, grow your skills, or increase your income streams. Time is the most precious resource. Use it wisely. 3. Prioritize financial freedom over appearances. In today's world of social media and constant comparisons, it's easy to get caught up in the game of appearances. But here's the truth: real wealth isn't about impressing others. It's about having the freedom to make your own choices. When you prioritize financial freedom, you're not chasing designer brands or expensive vacations just to look successful. Instead, you're reinvesting that money in things that truly matter, like growing your portfolio or ensuring your family's future security. Living below your means doesn't just help your finances, it shields you from unnecessary stress and distractions. A low profile protects you from external judgment, envy, and societal pressures. The ultimate goal is simple: work because you want to, not because you have to. Create multiple income streams, avoid unnecessary debts, and give yourself the flexibility to choose how you spend your time and energy. 4. Invest for the long term and protect your wealth. Wealth building isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Focus on investments that grow steadily over time. Index funds, real estate, and dividend-paying stocks are great examples of long-term investments. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're reliable methods that require patience and consistency. Automating your investments is a game changer. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts so you don't even have to think about it. Whether it's $100 or $1,000 per month, consistency is key. And don't forget to protect what you've built. In today's digital age, financial privacy is more important than ever. Avoid oversharing personal information about your finances and take measures to secure your online data. By keeping your wealth-building journey private, you'll minimize external risks and stay focused on your goals. 5. Continuously educate yourself about money. The world of finance is constantly changing. Tax laws, investment opportunities, and even economic trends evolve over time. To stay ahead, you must commit to lifelong learning about money. This doesn't mean you need a degree in finance. It's about taking small steps to improve your financial literacy. Read books about investing, watch interviews with successful entrepreneurs, and follow credible financial educators online. The more you learn, the more confident and strategic you'll become in managing your wealth. Additionally, surround yourself with people who inspire financial growth. Seek mentors, join investment groups, or simply connect with friends who share similar financial goals. The conversations you have and the information you absorb will shape how you think and act regarding money. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these pillars do you find most challenging, and what's one action you'll take today to improve your financial future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.